Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is Northeast Modding here, back at it again with another video. So guys, today we are actually we're back on the uncle's farm, and we started combining last night and we were doing some test runs, but we are going to try and do a little bit more today. I had a load over here that I took in this morning into the grain bin. So, we're gonna go ahead and bring the Ford over here. And you should be done unloading. Done yet? No? Oh, that's surprising. We're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna see how much we were at. So, there we go. It's unloading even more now. So, it's the second day of autumn. So, we're gonna go ahead and run this over. And with it being the second day, we're gonna have to hurry up because I think we're supposed to get snow here in a few weeks, so I don't know if we'll have all this done. But anyway, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you love the video down below. Also, we are sponsored by Rogue Energy and Fatal Grips. Use code SAVAGE5M for 10% off of your purchase. And yeah, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and time lapse me harvesting, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we're done. Alrighty guys, so I forgot to press the camera or start recording again once I finish that right there. But anyway guys, so we're gonna go ahead and run the grain truck over to the silo and we're gonna unload it. And we're gonna see what happens with that. I probably won't load it just yet because I'm going to do a few things with the dryer. But I don't want to tip that back yet. About hit a tree there. My bad driving skills, but we're gonna run this over and we're just gonna leave that sit right there, and then I believe we're gonna take the service truck over, and because there's something wrong with the combine, it's acting all funky, so that's why we stopped. Forgot to record that part, so my bad guys. So we're gonna run this over real quick and see you guys when we get there. So guys, we just rolled up here. And I'm actually gonna look at something. I'm gonna lower the header first. Just gonna lower that down. And if I'm correct, it looks like one of these chopping knives. It was not chopping right. I could definitely tell it was getting kind of gunked. Oh, yep, I found the issue. It's one of the chopping knives. But is it just that? Because it should have been. If it was just a chopping knife, it shouldn't have been. It should have been kind of fine. Something back here. Let's climb up on top. We gotta climb up the ladder. Come up here. Come back here. Let's pull open the side right here. Let's see if it'll even start, because when I shut it off, it sounded really bad. So guys, I called John Deere, and they said that it could be the starter, could be one of the belts, and it also could be the battery, but they don't know. So now I gotta call my buddy and see if he'll let me borrow his semi and trailer so I can use that to take it down to the dealership. So I will see you guys once I'm done talking to my buddy. Well guys, I called my buddy and he let me borrow his semi. He's got a Ford Sterling 2006 with a Fotane long deck trailer. And I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and load this up. Alrighty guys, we got it on the trailer. It was a pain in the butt, but we got it on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up to this. And we're gonna drive this on and I will see you guys when we get down there. Well guys, I've almost kind of got hit there a little bit. So we're gonna pull out right here to back up again. Hope traffic stops for us. Okay. Guess the traffic just doesn't like us. We're gonna pull out. Don't hit us. Ugh. Alrighty guys, well we got the traffic cleared up. I had to call the law and see about getting them down here. And they got it all cleared up for us. So we're driving into town now. I'm probably not gonna drive the combine home because I'm going to have to do a lot of paperwork and it'll just be not fun. So once we get down there, I'm probably gonna go ahead and end the video. So there's going to be more than just one part to the video. I'm gonna finish off harvest probably in the next few days. That way we can just get it done out of the way. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. There is gonna be more parts to this. I'm gonna keep the combine that we bought, or not bought, but we're getting a surprise. Also remember to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought down below. We are sponsored by Fatal Grips and Rogue Energy. Use code SAVAGE5M for 10% off of your purchase. And yeah guys, so see you guys in the next video. Northeast Modding out.